Today I have this beautiful Saturday. The weather is simply amazing. I had planned to go shoot today, but it didn't actually, and the weather forecast for today was good. But this morning when I woke up it was like raining, and well, I want to fly my drone today because over there's the ocean and there's a river here going down to the ocean, and when the river goes on the black sand and you know the mud and the dirt which is there, it just creates work of art. So I drove, and when I got here it doesn't really get any better than that. So let's fly the drone, let's see what we can get here. I'm getting amazing stuff here. It's unbelievably good. All done. Well, I'm done. I say this and I look around me and the conditions are just amazing, and that really it's just gonna get better. But well, I got what I came here for, and from the screen it really looked amazing. It just looked amazing, and I just want to go home now and see what I got, because I'm really excited to see this. And but you don't have to wait. The results are in, and I'm guessing it looked amazing. Here you go.